Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about different ways to delete directories or folders from Linux server using command line. So I've already logged into my Unix server, and in my current directory, if I do ls-l, we don't have anything. So let me just first create some directories so that we can see how to remove them later on. So I've just created these 5 or 6 directories, and if I now do tree dot, so we have got these directories created in this server. Some of them are just simple directories and some of them have some subdirectories as well. So how do we delete them and what are the options we have if we want to do it through command line? The very first command is called rmdir. It's straightforward. So let's just clear the screen. Rmdir command removes empty directory. So if you have any directory that contains something, a file or a subdirectory, rm directory will not be able to delete it. So if you, as you can see right now, directory 1 is just a single directory which doesn't have any subdirectory or file. And if I just do rmdir and directory 1, directory got deleted. If we want, we can use a verbose option. So we can do like this, rmdir-v directory 2. And this time it also showed me that what it actually did. If I do tree dot now, you would see that we don't have directory 1 and 2 anymore on the server. So one of the good thing about rmdir is it always checks if the directory is empty and only deletes the directory if it is empty. This gives us a way to accidentally not delete directories if they contain some data. Now, in some cases, we may want to delete everything knowingly because we know each subdirectory or content within a directory is not useful and we intentionally want to remove it. In that case, rmdir will not work directly. And what we have to do is command, which is called rm. So in rm command, generally rm command does not remove directories. Rm command is used to mostly delete files in Linux server. But if you want to use rm command to delete directories, we have to use a special flag called -r, which is called recursive flag. It basically then deletes the file as well as directories uh, using rm command. So let me just clear the screen and do ls. Let's say now I want to delete directory 3, and if you remember, directory 3 already had a subdirectory, right? Subdirectory 1 and 2. So if I just do rn-r directory 3, and if I can add verbose here also. So now you can see that it deleted the subdirectory 2 first, then subdirectory 1, and then it deleted the main directory. So that's one option to delete directory using rm command. Now if you want to get a prompt or approval whenever each of these directories is getting created, we can supply another option. It's called I. So if I just apply this option and now I say I want to delete directory 6. So this time it's now asking me, do we really want to go inside the directory 6? So it's first checking what are the subdirectories available under directory 6. Now it says, okay, there is a subdirectory under subdirectory 1. Do you want to descend to that? And now it's asking about, do we want to remove that subdirectory? So I just say yes. It has removed that subdirectory 2. I just say again yes. It has now deleted subdirectory 1. And if I just say again yes, it has removed the subdirectory 6 for me. And now if I do tree dot, you would see that directory 6, which was there earlier, is not there anymore. So that's the forceful and recursive way of deleting directory using rm command. Let's just clear the screen and let me recreate those directories again. There is another flag which is called -d with rm, and that works similar to rmdir, which removes empty directories only. So we can do rm-d and then the directory name. It will delete the directory if the directory is empty. And in case if the directory is not empty, it will give us an error similar to that. Similar to rmdir, which is cannot remove the directory because the directory is not empty, right? So this way now we can see that how we can use rm command to delete directories. We can prompt for every removal. We can just force it to delete everything or delete just the empty directories. Third method is to use find command. So if I just do tree dot here right now, if you can see, we have these directories in presently working directory. So what you can do is we can use a combination of find and exec. So first thing what we would do, let's say we want to delete all the directories within this folder which are called sub1. So first what we'll do is we'll do find command. We'll talk about find command in some other video, but what we can do is we can use find command to find directories or file matching certain patterns or names within Linux servers. So what I'm saying is right now, find everything in my current directory of type directory and which with the name. Now we want to search for sub1 type of directory, and let's see what it gives me. So now it came back and he said, okay, we have 4 directories which are called sub1 and they are under directory 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, so this is the output of a find command. And now what we can do is we can use another flag called exec. This is another feature within Linux. We will talk about it in some other video. But what we are right now doing is passing this output to this via this exec to rm command. And now what we are saying is whatever you got with the help of find, delete all of them. So if I do like this is what we got in the previous command. And now we are saying delete all of those directories forcefully using rm command. And now if I run this to tree dot now, we have got all the subdirectories removed. So now as you can see earlier we had this directory structure. So subdirectory 1 under directory 3 got deleted, directory 4, 5 and 6 also got deleted. Since subdirectory 1 under directory 6 got deleted, so any subsequent subdirectories were removed as well. And we are left with only the parents directory. So these are different ways we can use to delete directories in Linux server. I hope you found this video useful. If you did so, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.